one of our bumpier fields, so by the end of it, I feel like I just want to punch a wall. I'm on field number 2 and I'm starting to feel it. I'm getting very, very tired. Just got done. I'm starving. I can't wait to go eat, and I want to go lay down in my bed. At least, hopefully, for like an hour before we have to go haul hay. I actually have 3 fields to haul today, so it's going to be a while, and we only have 3 people. Normally we have 4, so it might be a little slower,